Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your Firefox browser to its default settings, right? Now what you want to do, go ahead and open up your Firefox browser if you not yet do so, and you want to click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side. From here guys, go ahead and click on help, right? Now once help is open, you want to click on more troubleshooting information, right? Then from here, you will see a bunch of different things going on, right? Application basics, etc., etc. Quite a lot. And you can scroll through it to go ahead and familiarize yourself with what's going on within Firefox there. Some information, some very interesting information for you to find there, right? Now, in order to reset this, guys, you will see on the upper right hand side that you have refresh Firefox. And it says give Firefox a tune up. And also you can diagnose issues by even going into troubleshoot mode as well. And as well, you can clear startup cache there. So interesting stuff there. Right now, all you have to do, guys, just simply go ahead and click refresh Firefox. And then you'll get this pop-up box here that just simply asks you to confirm if you want to refresh Firefox. And you just have to hit this refresh button, guys. Just simply hit refresh Firefox. And this will refresh Firefox to its default states. And that's all you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.